I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the original, duplicate the layer immediately so you can revert. Next, zoom into the subject to see edge detail and pick a brush size that follows the contour precisely. Then select the mask tool or magic wand. I recommend a tolerance around 15 to 30% so you capture the subject without grabbing background noise. Once done, switch between add and subtract modes to mark obvious subject areas. This first pass sets the foundation for a clean extraction. Now you refine. Paint the mask directly to include tricky bits like hair or thin objects, alternating add and subtract so you maintain control. Make sure to apply a small feather, about 0.5 to 3 pixels, because feathering smooths the subject into new backgrounds. Without it, edges look cut out. As you work, use the eraser on the mask to remove stray marks and enable edge highlight so you can see microscopic holes. If you zoom out and notice halos, reduce feather or use a 1px shrink to clean up. Finish by converting the mask into a selection and applying it as a layer mask or clearing the background to transparency. This preserves edges. Then inspect against light and dark backgrounds. If you see color fringing, use clone or healing on a new layer to sample edge colors and paint them away. Make sure to save a PNG for final transparent output and keep a CPT file to retain editable masks. If edges look jagged, undo the last step, increase mask resolution, and reapply feathering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.